Hello, team. This is Ramdev welcoming you all once again to our Pro Academy. We have been discussing since last four videos about technician grade structure and career progression. To begin with, we had discussed about what is a technician, who is an automotive technician. Then we spoke about trainee technician. Then we spoke about junior technician. Then in the last session, we covered about technician grade 1. Today, I am trying to discuss about the technician grade 2. This technician grade 2 should have done all respective certification to in respect of manufacturer and e-learning, in-house training. All this the individual might have completed by this time to gain eligibility to have a career progression to technician grade 2. This should happen, as I said, uh, within a span of say around 30 to 36 months. In that span, it should happen and he should continue in this cadre. This grade 2 technician becomes very important position because by this time the individual has learned regarding entire services, mastered on it. Then the individual have learned something about electricals, something about wheel alignment balancing. So to say, is getting into a stage, he is moving to a cadre, he is moving to the level where he is going to become a full-fledged technician. To add to this, it is very important when a person comes to this cadre, he should have his driving license. Also, he should be fully conversant, fully capable of driving a four-wheel vehicle. Because at this stage, the individual may get different kind of job as well. For example, visiting a customer place when there is some necessity to attend certain minor problems, or he might be uh, he might be what you call made responsible for roadside assistance activity. So all this will start coming to him apart from the job which he was doing till today inside the shop floor. He may have to project himself for jobs which are related to outside work as well. So with this requirement, it becomes necessary that the individual has the license as well as he knows driving comfortably. The next important point, what I could say in respect of this technician grade 2 is the individual should start having learning certain soft skill which he has started in technician grade 2. He should have got some idea about various aspect when he goes out of the workshop, how to speak to the customers, how to speak to the people, how to approach them, how to attend a telephone call. All this becomes necessary at this level. Also, the individual should start picking up some good communication, which I've said in the earlier instance as well. When I say communication, he should, okay, regional language, wherever we are working, in whichever part of the country, that regional language becomes important. That is fairly good enough. He will be knowing it. But at the same time, he should start gathering to basic communication in English as well. Because all we know, most of the car owners, they are uh, they have this language and they can easily get connected. Also, it becomes important for him for his higher cadre to move up because from now onwards, most of the technical literature or learning, whatever the literatures are available, will be available mostly in English for whatever reasons. That becomes kind of a basic requirement. Because of that, he picks up this language as well. Now, the next is all regular things which I am talking. He has to continue to maintain his daily diary or a workshop diary, which I have mentioned. The discipline part has to be, as I have been explaining in various videos in this series. Also, the workshop equipment maintenance, it's a minor repairs. He should have learned by this time and he should start what I call extending his services in this regard wherever there is a requirement. Now, apart from all this, which is all very vital for his further growth, I would suggest it is out of the our talk, but still it is very important because at a senior level where I stand, it becomes my responsibility to guide the individual. You, anybody coming at this stage should start thinking of what you call his education background also. For example, an individual has joined as an ITI. He has been learning all these days. He may not have time to concentrate on other things. Now this is the stage where the individual have learned a lot of things. He gained a lot of experience. Now this is the stage he should give a thought for some external further educational also. For example, the individual has joined as an ITA, he should look forward to do diploma. If he is joined as a diploma, he should think of doing some BTech or some engineering courses. There are obtained what you call opportunities to do these things externally nowadays. So this individual who is at the technician grade 2 should start thinking of those things also. It is very important because now the growth has started. You have to further move up the ladder means that also becomes that background, that foundation also will be great consideration for for your for your individual growth in the profession. So with that background, I am saying that he should start thinking, if not immediately, at least at this stage, he should start thinking what more education I can do apart from the professional certification and all what we are talking. Apart from that, externally, what I can do little more, he should start thinking as well. One more, my advice, being a senior, is this is the stage where he is comfortable with the financial. He might be earning fairly good enough salary, also good sum of incentive wherever it is applicable. Now he should start thinking of his personal life financing planning also, because the individual may want to buy a, for example, a two-wheeler or wants to get a married. For all this, the financial strength becomes very important. With that background, the individual who reaches at this level should start thinking what is the best way, if a small amount or whatever amount which is possible to spare, that amount, how do I save? How do I do the best saving? If I have to suggest, the best thing to start with financial saving is to go for a first and foremost have a life insurance. Later on, the individual can think of various other things. This is a suggestion in the right direction which I am proposing. Please do consider these things when the individual reaches at this level. It will be proving beneficial at a later stage. So, two things I have emphasized. One is how to enhance the educational background. Second, how to start planning in a small way, the financial planning. These two things start working in his mind, and whatever way appropriate as per the individual ability and capacity, he should one should start doing this. This is my suggestion. So, coming to close of this video, again, as usual, I have made a small write-up on this one, the link of which I've shared in the description. Please go through that for a better understanding. Thank you very much. Be safe. Keep smiling.